What is up guys, welcome to another video. And today in this video I am going to unbox an external hard drive which can be used to store any type of data. I have already been using this type of external hard drive from quite a long time. So the external hard drive that I'm going to unbox is from Trancend. So I have already used a Trancend 250 GB and a 1 TB Trancend hard drive. So in this video I'm going to unbox the 2 TB version of Trancend hard drive. So without wasting any further time, let's get straight into the video. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. So this is the packaging that this Trancend comes with. It is written 2 TB as you can see, and over here it says storage at 25M3, which is the version of this Trancend, and there are 3 stages anti-shock protection. So if you by chance drop it, it's going to be fine. At the back you get the pricing and etc. Over here you got portable hard drive and some of other things. It says that it is compatible with Google Drive and Dropbox. So its MRP is 10,999, but you can get it on sale for about 6,000, and I bought it at the Amazon. Written in the back, and it uses a USB Type A cable as noted over here, and one touch backup. So this is the one touch backup over here that I have with another one, and it is shock proof and file encryption. So over here is a seal that I've already broken, just joking, and it comes in this type of protective case. So opening, you find this Trancend. This is the first thing that I noticed, is it is quite smaller than my older Trancend, and it is quite shorter also, as you can see, and it is thinner. And so that's it for the Trancend comparison. And over here is the one touch backup option, and this type of the adapter. Over here in the box you get the adapter, so you have to plug this into your laptop and then the other one into this. So let's quickly do this. So just if in case you don't know, there's a setup that you have to do for the Trancend to make it work perfectly, which takes some time. And there are some other pamphlets over here. So this is quick installation guides and some other advertisement, like what other products Trancend makes. And yeah, that's all this advertisement. So nothing else in the packaging of the box. The main things over here. So this is the main thing. So what I'm going to do is keep it as a backup drive for my other 2 drives, and let's put it into a case. It is from Trancend, and I will link all the products in the description box, and the device Trancend goes there, and you put it in this like this. So here are the other 2 variants that I already have used. So you can see there is quite a size comparison. This is a bit smaller. So that was all for today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And links to all of these products, including the Trancend and even the case, will be in the description box, so you can check it out from there. I will leave the link from Amazon, because I purchased it from Amazon. And I hope you guys like the video, and if you're new, make sure to subscribe, and I will meet you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, and